Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is sensation and perception. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject consumer behavior and also discuss various topics related to it like consumer decision making process, concept of perception and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about sensation and perception. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic which is sensation and perception. So what is the relation between sensation and perception? We'll discuss here. So now what is the topic? There's confusion between perception and sensation as both are cognitive process and both are bits of same string. As a sensation and perception both are related to our knowledge, both are related to our experience, and both are the cognitive process. So they are same type of processes, but there is great deal of differences between the two terms. Sensation is the immediate and direct response of the sensory organs to the simple stimuli, an advertisement, a package, a brand name. So sensation is basically related to our sensory organs which we can touch, smell, feel and so on, which is related to, which is useful, which is applicable to the advertisement, packages and brand name also. Human sensitivity refers to the experience of sensation. Sensitivity is the stimuli that varies with the quality of an individual sensory receptors, that is eyesight or hearing, and the amount of intensity of the stimuli to which it is exposed. For example, a blind person may have a more highly developed sense of hearing than an average sighted person and may be able to hear sound that every person cannot. Another example of sensation may be the reaction of the eye to color, ear to sound, and so on. So they are very sensory, so much sensory organs in our body by which we can sense, we can feel, we can respond to our sensory with the help of our sensory organs like eye, touch, feel, hear, and so on. These are known as the sensory receptors of our human body. Perception refers to the interpretation of sensory data. In other words, sensation detecting the presence of a stimulus, whereas a perception involves understanding what the stimulus means. For example, when we see something, the visual stimulus, the light, energy that is reflected from the external world, and the eye becomes the sensory. The visual image of the external object becomes perception when it is interpreted in the visual context of the brain. So perception is also referred to the sensory data which is done by the sensory organs. Sensation detecting by the presence of a stimulus, where perception involves understanding of a stimulus means. So basically our sensation is also related to the perception by, or we can say that with the help of sensation which is done by sensory organs, perception can be done by the human beings. Therefore, visual perception refers to the interpreting the image of external world projected on the retina of the eye and constructing the model of three-dimensional worlds. Perception classifies the stimulus which is based on the past experience, learning, feelings and motives. Therefore, perception is determined by both psychological, physiological characteristics of organism. So, perception and sensation both are related to each other. Without sensation we cannot perceive. So this is all about the sensation and perception. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what is the relation between sensation and perception? Both are cognitive process, both are based on our experience, knowledge and so on, but there's a difference between them. Sensation is basically immediate direct response by the sensory organs to the stimulus like advertisement, packages and brand name. Sensitivity is a stimuli that varies the quality of an individual sensory receptors like hearing, eyesight, touch, feel and so on. Whereas perception refers to the interpretation of the sensory data or sensation detecting the presence of stimulus, where Perception involves understanding what the stimulus means. Thus, visual perception also refers to the interpreting the image of external world projected on the retina of the eye and constructing the model of three-dimensional worlds. So this is all about the sensation and perception. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.